US fails to prove COVID-19 lab leak claims on China. To investigate the disease's possible human origins, US President Joe Biden ordered US intelligence agencies to deliver a report within 90 days. 3 months later, US intelligence services have failed to offer a shred of proof to substantiate assertions made by the Trump and Biden administrations, as well as every major US media organization. Despite a colossal US attempt, the media said. On August 5, CNN reported that the US was reviewing a massive database including genetic blueprints derived from virus samples analyzed in Wuhan, China. In its report, the United States strongly indicated that a cyber attack was being carried out against medical and scientific organizations. According to the Times and Journal, intelligence agencies were unable to reach a conclusion due to China's refusal to engage with international probes, and China's refusal to provide access to particular datasets. Neither story acknowledged CNN's reporting about the US having access to a huge collection of secret data and why, if the US had access, nothing was uncovered. The reasons why American intelligence agencies have not found anything are straightforward. There is no evidence linking the Wuhan Institute of Virology, WIV, to the beginnings of COVID-19. More than a year after the Trump State Department produced a fact sheet stating WIV researchers had symptoms consistent with common seasonal illnesses, no proof has been publicly disclosed or even hinted at proving the lab leak theory. The WHO team examining the origins of COVID-19 announced in March that it had evaluated the lab leak idea but deemed it extremely unlikely, due to a lack of proof. There has been no new evidence revealed since the report stated it would follow up on possible laboratory leaks. With no proof to back up its provocative conspiracy theory, the US media has shifted to blaming China for supporting it. China's assertions that a lab leak by the US military caused the outbreak are unfounded. But what the US media today criticizes China of also applies to the US media. The Wuhan lab conspiracy idea was supported by the Biden White House, the New York Times, and the Washington Post because it meets a vital demand for American capitalism. COVID-19 has killed about 650,000 individuals in the US, and millions of others have been affected or lost a loved one.